Hello, collective. This is wilderness therapy. Today, in this video, I'm taking you to a frozen swamp. And I've been talking to my friend Swamp for a while, but I thought I would take some time to share with you, my friend, my adventure today. It's cold in the winter, but the practice of connecting to nature and having that wilderness therapy just doesn't go away from me. I love getting out into nature and just observe and see the stories that nature is telling, as nature often offers lessons and reflection for the depth within my soul. And I would like to share with you some observation today, some stories, as well as encouraging you or showing you how you could do the same thing in nature. This is a Zen practice, or whatever you call it, just a meditative, slow living practice where you allow yourself to be immersed in the moment and the story and the reflection that nature has to offer. Something that I find helpful in bringing me back into this moment when my mind wanders is actually a lucid dreaming practice. I often do this. I would tell myself, I am lucid, and I would bring all my attention back into this moment, observing the little details, the rich sound, fragrant, and just noticing how this moment is unfolding inside me, outside me, and truly get lucid and get curious about this reality that I'm in. In this reality, there is a body of water, and the body of water is still, and people call this a swamp. And then creatures live here, water snake and otter and beautiful, beautiful trees. And in the winter they are bare, and the cold takes the leaves away as they fall on the ground. Big, big leaves indeed. As big as my face. That's crazy. Have you ever thought of that? It's beautiful, beautiful leaf. Beautiful nature. On my way over here, I saw some wildlife. I saw squirrels and otter. I also tried to take video of the otter, and I was really sad because the otter noticed me and immediately turned away and hid underneath some kind of roots. The otter looks so cute. See you on the other side. I also saw some dead lotuses, and they're really quite beautiful. I did not know that they could survive weather this cold. I was amazed looking at them, how they've dropped their seed, and their seed will spring into new lotuses and new life. And it reminds me of a Vietnamese saying growing up, which is that lotuses come from the mud. And it's just reminding me that if I'm deep in the shit, sometimes I still am blooming. And I know a lot of us probably were in a really hard situation, but it seems to dim down a little bit, and I hope this video reaches you when you need it the most. But I can feel that deep life, that deep seed in the mud slowly germinate, slowly blooming. And I hope that if you're germinating, you could feel that life force flowing ever so silently within you, no matter how on the surface it might look. It might look very calm, it might look chaotic, turbulent, exciting, fruitful. I don't know how it's looking like for you, but I hope that life force is still flowing strong. I also saw this tree branch, and it's submerged in the water. It's like frozen in the water, and I was like, wow, like how does it survive in the cold? And I wonder if the tree feels the cold. I mean, I wonder how the tree can survive such cold. And then I realized the trees have survived the cold way longer than right now when I have concern for the trees. So maybe I should just observe a little bit more. And then I turn around and I see like a bunch of tree like submerged underwater, and I was like, wow, like that's wonderful. This is a frozen swamp. I forgot that I'm in a frozen swamp. Hearing some birds, and I'm really loving the tall grass, the dead tall grass at the end. They're so beautiful, beautiful winter decoration. And I wonder how it looks like in the summer when it's all alive and bustling with lotuses. But right now it's frozen and calm. Thank you for staying with me to the end of this video. Please check out all the content in my Zen series as well as Christmas series. I am currently running programs on inner child healing and manifestation, and I will be sharing materials down in the description. A lot of these workshops or material are free, so feel free to check it out and sign up for the free workshops that I'm running. And I hope to see you in another video.